Hi everyone and welcome to Elevate Web Design, and today we are going to be looking through how to add social media icons onto your WordPress website. For this we're going to be using Ultimate Social Media Icons on WordPress, the plugin, and we'll just quickly go ahead and show you how to do that. I'm just going to bring up the website we're going to be using. This is Community Center help out with, and if we come down to the bottom you will see that we've got a couple of social media images that we can just click on, and they will take you into that particular Facebook page, and the same with Instagram too. So there you go. That's on the front end there, just showing you what we're going to be doing today. We'll come into the onto the dashboard, and this is really nice and easy. So all we need to do is just go into plugins and install plugin. Now, as you'll see, I've already got Ultimate Social Media and Share Icons, Ultimate Social Media on here and activated. If you haven't got it, then all you need to do is go into Add New and come down to Search, and we'll do Ultimate Social Media. And this is what you're looking for here: social media share buttons and social share icons, and that's active at the moment. So that's the one we're going to be using. And if we come down now, so if you haven't got that on, just install that and then activate it. We'll come down now to the actual, you'll have this box down here, and just after your settings, and this is where you can put in exactly what you want to show on the for the social media. So for us, for this website, we're going to show Facebook and Instagram. But as you can see there, you've got lots of choices from RSS to email, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn. You've got all of them. You can also pay for additional ones if you want to put on things like Snapchat and other ones on there. But as I say, for this example, it's just going to be Facebook and Instagram. And what do you want the icons to do? So we're going to have it visit my page and like my blog on Facebook. So we're going to have a couple of things. I'm just going to show you what's going to happen, and you need to make sure you put in the link from your Facebook page. So if we go to that Facebook page, I click Control C. So I go into our Facebook page. So you will get, if you go into your Facebook page or any page that you're going to be using for social media, just click in the URL, press Control C or Command C for the Mac, and then all you need to do is just come in and then paste it in there. So again, if I need to do that, Control V, there we go, and it's in there. And you do the same. I'm going to be doing the same for Instagram as well. So go into your Instagram account. Once you've opened it up, just make sure that you actually copy and paste the URL and then place it into this area here. There's a couple of other options. So where do you want it to be displayed? For us, we're going to be showing it in a widget. You can also do it via shortcode, and you can also add other things where you can add it into the themes header, or show icons, I suppose. You've got loads of different options, but again, for this, we're just going to be adding it widget and then adding it into the footer. If we go down further, you've got lots of other things. So you can actually change the sizes of the actual icons and how many pixels in between. And you can also change how it looks as well. So that's also sign-ups. This is your animation here. It's number 4. You can change this to whatever you would like. Flat, thin, default. You've got lots of choices there on how you want your Facebook, your social media images to look like. After you've done all that, make sure you save all your settings, and we are now going to go into appearance and widgets. I'll quickly show you how to do this on here. So at the moment, you'll see that we have ultimate social media icons in here. I'll just go ahead and delete that just so I can demonstrate this for you. I'll come back in on the front end and refresh. You'll see now that they've disappeared. I'll just show you really how easy it is to add these in. All you need to go is ultimate social media, click exactly where you want to do, add widget. Now, it does add on this if you want it. Please like and follow us. I'm not going to have that on here, so I'm just going to delete that, save it off, go back into here, into the front end, refresh it, and lo and behold, now there's our widgets, and they will click through to our Facebook page and Instagram page. There you have it, a nice and easy way to add icons, social media icons onto your WordPress website. As always, if you'd like to subscribe, you can do so clicking the button below. And you can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Thanks again for listening.